Hey y'all. Alright, good morning. It is December 21st and I haven't been vlogging because I forgot my camera yesterday. As you can see, I have my makeup on from yesterday. And I'm headed to the airport. I'm headed to the airport today, and then I will go back home and be with the girls. So you guys are gonna come to the airport. You guys, we made cookies. Oh my god, chef's kiss. We're gonna give you guys the recipe. We actually excluded one ingredient of the recipe that we got because we didn't have that, and the cookies ended up being like delish. So as for breakfast, I haven't had breakfast, so we'll see if we get breakfast. Oh, look, a cat. Cars pass by really quick here. Creepy then. Alright, we are at the airport. Look at that doggy, so cutie. What a cutie. Guys, it's pouring rain over here. Pouring. Oh my god, it's raining harder and stronger. Ah! I made my own garlic and oil spread. And I also made a casserole of tomato, onion, and cheese. You can see it right there. Focus. Focus. And making pasta. We have baked potatoes and sweet potato in there. It looks good. And my toast just popped out of the toaster. So I put oil and then I ended up putting butter and garlic on my bread, except I'm missing the parsley. But we don't have parsley. We don't, but I made my own garlic bread and I'm gonna have like pasta. It looks delicious. And if only you could smell it. Hey. Hey yo. You're such a big helper. Are you cold? You look so cozy. Cozy. Help? Yeah. Who's ham? Mama. No. Is ham? Yeah. Who's ham? Almost. I think we did it. Oh, you're going to cover the drinks? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Covering the drinks. Thank you. Yeah. Yay. Yay. It is so cold inside the freezer. I was looking for blueberries and blackberries. I didn't even go inside. It's so cold in there. My thighs are so freezing.